This is a Porter-Cable dovetail jig. It's a 4200 series. And anytime you use a dovetail jig, there are a couple of things that you're going to be concerned about. One, the stability of your router. Two, the router dust and chips are going to fly everywhere, probably back at you. Well, our friends at Leigh have solved the problem with the VRS1200. Now, the VRS1200 is an attachment to the jig. You put it on one time and you're done. When you're looking for innovation in routing accessories, Leigh has the answers. Leigh premium dovetail and joinery jigs have been recognized as the world's finest for over 35 years. The Leigh D4R Pro Jig is the most versatile and user-friendly dovetail jig available. The Leigh FMT Pro Jig, along with your router, turns your workshop into a full mortise and tenon factory. The Leigh RTJ400 router table dovetail jig is designed to provide fast and accurate routing of dovetails and box joints on your router table. Highland Woodworking is proud to stock these and many other Leigh dovetail and joinery jigs.